Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can return items on Temu. Let's say you bought an item on Temu but it hasn't been delivered to you. It's still on the processing stage and you want to return it or cancel order in a way. What you need to do is click on you at the bottom of your screen and then you can see the option called your orders. Click on your orders. From over here, click on processing at the top. Now once you're in the processing section, you want to choose the item which you want to return. Let's say I want to return this grinder. Once I click on the grinder, it's going to show me this. It's basically asking me why I want to return this. So I'm going to select a random, reason and click on next. Once I click on next, it's going to ask you where you want to get your money back. So I'm going to click on your original payment method, which means I used my PayPal to pay for this little grinder. So I'm going to get my money back on my PayPal because that is what I used to pay for it. Now, if you want other payment methods, you can choose that as well, but I'm just going to go with this. And I will click on submit at the bottom. Once I do that, I need to click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, it's going to show this. So I'm sure I want to return this. So I'm going to click on yes. Once I do that, basically the product will be returned and I will get my money back. So I hope you understand how we guys can return items on Temu. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.